Hello and good morning. It is Madison Martin here. It is Sunday and it is a beautiful sunny day here in Newfoundland, Canada today. So it's currently 11:30 a.m. Wait, the world clap thing is in 3 minutes. Oh my gosh. There's a creator who is trying to make everybody clap at a specific time all at the same time, and that's in 2 minutes. I didn't even realize. But that was pretty cool that we all clapped together. I wasn't really following along with the World Clap Day thing, but it came up on my feed this morning, so I was like, why not? I am making a wrap right now with a chicken patty, some bacon, protein wrap. I got some mayo, some cheese, of course, butter, salt and pepper. Yeah. This week I have a few self-tapes to film. I have a bunch of music to work on. I have a few meetings and also working with my friends on a creative project that is a secret for now, but you will find out about it very soon. My goals for this week are to eat more, to drink more water, to get outside more and actually enjoy the summer. Our weather has been so weird lately, like it's very on and off. Like some days it's 10 degrees, some days it's 20, some days it's 4, so it's very strange for August, for sure. I honestly enjoy Sundays. It's really nice reset, getting everything cleaned up and organized for the week and stuff is a nice feeling, I have 2 more loads of laundry to do and a little bit of sweeping and mopping and stuff. Yeah. The lighting reflecting off the counter looks so cool. But yeah, I hope your day is going well whenever you're watching this. I hope you're having a lovely day or night, whatever it is for you. I'm gonna get this ready while we're waiting on the chicken. Butter can go in the mayonnaise, but mayonnaise cannot go in the butter. I think I'm gonna put a little bit of taco seasoning up in it. Put it on the bacon so that it kind of melts a little better. And now pipa. Yum. Let's wrap it up, if I can. Oh god. Get her done. I'm just grab a toothpick real quick. I'm gonna also go ahead and make another coffee to drink with that. Okay, I hope this is good. Yeah, that taco seasoning really added. That's good. That's delicious. I'm very surprised and proud of myself that I ate that entire wrap. That was a lot for me at this time of day. I find it hard to eat. I find it hard to eat a lot in the mornings. It's about 12 o'clock now. Yeah, 10 after 12. But I'm proud I was able to do that. And now I'm having some walnuts. Me. While I ate, I listened to the new episode from the Working Actor Life podcast. About 15 minutes worth of it. And I'll listen to the rest now later while I'm cleaning up and stuff. But it is such a gorgeous day. Holy cow. Ah, my coffee's hot. It's an awfully hot coffee pot. Should I be on the trampoline with the coffee? Probably not. Maybe Robin. I feel like sitting on the trampoline and writing music would be really therapeutic and comforting. Oh, there's a kitty coming over. Hey, bud. How's it going? Just a baby. Oh, I feel like this will make a really cool photo. Fun things. What do we do, guys? Do we go for a walk? I go for a walk. I'm feeling super inspired. This guy threw up all over the floor at 6:30 this morning. Oh, just a baby. He smells the other cat I was petting outside. Oh, just a baby. And here's Joey enjoying the bed. I only let him do this on days that I am changing the bedclothes, of course. Got the feet on the pillows, diabolical. But yeah, this is fat Joey. Just a fat little boy. Oh, just a baby. Oh, just a baby with his big old tummy. Oh my goodness. So cute. Here's the shady lady. What are you doing, girl? What are you doing? You're just a baby. You're just a baby. Since it's my goal to drink more water, I'm gonna go ahead and start right now and get a nice glass of water and try to drink all of it. I'm gonna see if I can drink all of it and then fill it back up again so I have more water. Oh, it's cold. I don't struggle to drink water, it's just really cold. And I often, I just have been forgetting to drink water because I left my nice water bottle at my friend's house. So it's kind of just, I'm like not in the routine of filling my water bottle up anymore. So it's kind of messing with me a little. I'm getting brain freeze. Oh my goodness. Okay, I got that much. And I'm gonna go ahead and fill it back up. Nice. It's been about a minute and a half since I drank that water and I already have to pee. I put on some different shorts and a sweater. I probably don't even need the sweater, but I got a little plastic baggie here and I'm gonna go on a little walk and see if I can find any cool little things, maybe some flowers. My Dollarama slides are still kicking, y'all. They're pretty beat up, but they're still kicking. A man just drove by with his little girl, maybe 2 years old, sat on the front of his bicycle, and it was so adorable. I love the way the leaves glow like this. It's so pretty. These look like green beans. Wow. I'm gonna take this one with me. I'm gonna take one of these as well. I want to get a better thing to collect these in that's not plastic. Maybe a drawstring baggie or something. Drawstring bag. This flower is really beautiful, but it's the only one here, so I'm gonna leave it. I've got a 3-pointed leaf in here. I'm gonna take one of these long leaves as well. Oh, we got 2. I found some more of these, so I am gonna take one of them. Found some of these pretty purple flowers as well. I'm not gonna take this because it looks kind of hard to flatten, but these also look like green beans. Are there like peas inside of that? That's really cool. I don't know what that is, but that's awesome. The way these leaves turn are so beautiful. Look at those colors. Wow, and the light going through them. It's just beautiful. What lurks in there, I wonder? This is a really pretty flower. I don't know if I've seen one like this. This is beautiful as well. Look at all the detail. Some of these I'm not gonna take. I don't know why this one's telling me not to touch it. I don't know if it's poisonous or something, but looks kind of suspicious. That looks spiky. Isn't that so beautiful, the way that they're flickering? These are shaped really cool. This looks so liminal. This looks like a dream I've had. There's no getting in here, really. Wonder what that's for. I've actually never walked back here before. Oh wow. I'd love to get a tiny petal off one of these, but I don't think I can reach all those. Oh, there's a little something there. That's beautiful, but I'm just gonna leave that be because they usually don't last the nicest when they're in notebooks. But they're beautiful. Oh, I like that frame. More of the forbidden green beans. I'd love to have a garden like this. This is so beautiful. I'm gonna leave that one too. This is a pretty spot too. This would be a nice spot for a picnic. I'm so happy right now. I just love this. I love being outside and it being so nice. This isn't high enough off the ground for me to actually use properly. Y'all, what a day. Dead wasp. Nicki Minaj. Okay. Whoa, my hair is looking crazy right now. Here's everything I found while I was out. There's some really beautiful colors in here. I'm gonna start wrapping these up the best I can so that they can dry out. Okay, I've got these fully wrapped up and I'm gonna hang them up to dry. I just hung them up right here on the window with my dream catcher. Joey's still conked out. He loves the pillow. That's so cute. All right, I think that about concludes the video, y'all. I hope y'all have a lovely day or night, whatever it is for you. I'm gonna get going and do some cleaning while listening to the rest of that episode of the podcast, the Working Actors Life podcast, and then wait for my man to get home and spend the day with him. So, yeah. Have a lovely day or night, whatever it is for you. Thanks for tuning in. I appreciate you and hope to catch you again in the next one. Bye-bye.